Hello children, welcome to the online maths class at BMS School at home. Children, in the last class we learned the odd number and even number, isn't it? So children, what is odd number? The number ends in 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 in the ones place are called odd numbers. Okay, so the number ends in 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 in the ones place are called odd numbers. Okay, and children, what is even number? The number ends in 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 in the ones place are called even number. Okay ma? So the even number included 0 also. Okay, and also we did some exercise related to the odd number and even number. Okay ma? In today's class we are going to see about the predecessor and successor. Okay children, in today's class we are going to learn about the predecessor and successor for 4-digit numbers. Okay children, so children, what is predecessor? Yeah, predecessor means before number. Okay ma? Predecessor means before number and successor means after number. Okay, so children, predecessor means before number and successor means after number. Let us do some example. Here the number 999. Okay, so this is the greatest 3-digit number. Okay, so if you are adding plus 1, okay, to this 999, you will get 1000. Okay, so this is 3-digit number. If you are adding 1, you can get 1000. Okay, 1000. So this is 4-digit number. Okay, so children, add 1 to find the successor of a number. Okay, add 1 to find the successor of a number, that means after number. Okay, then children, subtract 1 to find the predecessor of a number. Okay, subtract 1 to find the predecessor of a number. Okay, so children, in 999 subtract 1, so what will you get? Yeah, 998. Okay, so children, the 999 is the between number, and if you subtract 1 from this number, you can get the predecessor of this 999, and if you add 1, you can get the successor of this 999. Okay ma? So this is between numbers. The 999 is between, and this 1000 is the successor. Okay, 1000 is the successor and 998 is the predecessor. Okay ma? This is the 999 is between number. If you want to find the successor of this number, add 1. So you can get the successor of this 999, that is 1000. And if you want to find the predecessor of this 999, you can subtract 1. Okay, you can subtract 1. So you can get the predecessor of 999, that is 998. Okay children. Now children, let's do some more examples. So children, first find the successor of each of the following numbers. Okay. Find the successor. So what is successor, ma? After number. Okay. Successor means after number. Okay. Find the successor of each of the following numbers. Okay. So the first number is 41. Okay, ma, the first number is 1241. Okay, children. So children, please find the successor. So successor means you can add 1. Okay. So 1241 plus 1. So you can add the ones place value. Okay. Like this. 1241 plus 1. 1241 plus 1. Okay. So 1 plus 1, 2. So remaining 4, 2, 1. Okay, ma. So the successor of 1241 is 1242. Okay, ma. Now children, please find the successor of 9990. Okay, ma. So 9990 plus 1. Okay. So the answer is 9991. Okay. So the successor of 9990 is 9991. Okay. Now let's find the predecessor of the following numbers. Okay. Predecessor of the following numbers. The first one question is 5550. Okay. The second question is 2479. Okay, ma. So children, please find the predecessor. That means before number. So please find the before number. So subtract 1 from this number, given number. Okay. So subtract 1. So you can get 5549. Okay, ma. 5550 subtract 1 minus 1. So you can get 5549. This is the before number of 5550. Okay. Now let's find the next one. 2479. Okay, children. 2479 minus 1. So subtract the 1 from the number 1 from 2479. So you can get 2478. So 2478 is the predecessor of 2479. Okay, children. Now let's do more examples related to predecessor and successor. Children, please find the predecessor and successor of the following numbers. Okay, find the predecessor and successor of the following numbers. Okay, so the numbers are 1039, 9991 and 6000. Okay, so here you want to find the predecessor of these numbers, and here you want to find the successor of these numbers. Okay, ma. Now let's look at the first question. That means 1039. 1039. Okay, ma. If you want to find out the successor of this number, what do you want to do? Yeah, add 1 to this number. Okay, so you can get 1040. Okay, so if you add 1 here, okay, just look at, if you add 1 here, 9 plus 1, 10. Okay, so write 0 here and 1 here. Okay, then 3 plus 1, 4. So remaining all here. So you can get the 1040. Okay, ma? Then subtract 1039. So you can get, okay, ma, take 9 fingers and less 1 and subtract 1. Take 9 fingers and subtract 1. You can get 8, isn't it? So the answer is 8. So this is 4-digit number, so 1038. Okay, children. So the 1039 successor of this number is 1040 and predecessor of this number is 1038. Okay, ma? Now children, let's find the next question, that is 9991. Okay, children, if you want to find the successor, that means after number you just add plus 1. So you can get the 9992. So children, you can get the value 9992. Okay, so if you want to find the predecessor of this number, just subtract this. Subtract 1 from this number. So you can get 9990. Okay, so 9990, 9991, 9992. Okay, ma? So this is the between number, this is predecessor and this is successor. Now let's do the next one, that is 6000. Okay, so if you want to find the successor of this number, just add 1 here. So you can get 6001. So if you want to get the predecessor of this number, you can simply subtract 1 from this number. So you can get the predecessor of this number, that is 5999. So 5999, 6000, 6001. Okay, children? Children, let's do the next question, that is 7009. Okay, ma? Now children, let's find the successor of this number. So just add 1 to this number. So you can get 7010. Okay, this is the successor of 7009. And find the predecessor of this number. Yeah, subtract 1 from this number. So you can get the 7008. Children, the next number is 4595. Okay, so how can you find out the successor of this number? Just add plus 1 to this number. So you can get the 4596. Okay, so the successor of this 4595 is 4596. Okay, then how can you find the predecessor of this number? You can just subtract 1 number from this number. So you can get the predecessor of this number, that is 4594. Okay, ma? So children, if you want to find the successor or predecessor of this number, you can just add 1 number to this ones place value or subtract 1 from the ones place value of the given number. Okay, children, remember this. If you want to find the predecessor or successor of any number, you can just add 1 or subtract 1 from the ones place value, and you can get the predecessor or the successor of the given numbers. Okay, now children, next we are going to see about between numbers. Okay. Now let's see some examples related to between numbers. Okay, ma? 2787 and 2789. In between, one number is missing. What is that number? Yeah, 2787 and 2788. Okay, children? So, this is between numbers. Okay, and this is the predecessor of this number, and this is the successor of this number. Okay, children? Now, let's do some more example. Sorry, 999, 1001. Next, 3009, 3011. Third one, 6000, 6799. Then 6801. Okay, children? So, children, if you want to find the between numbers, you can simply add 1 here. Okay, so what will you get if you are adding 1? Yeah, 1000. Okay, ma? So you can get 1000. So this is the between numbers, and if you are adding 1 to this number, you can get the successor of the 1000 number, and if you are subtract 1 from this between number, you can get the predecessor of this number. Okay, children? Now let's do the next problem, that is 3009. Okay, and 3011. So in between, which number is missing? You just add 1 to this number. So you can get 3010. Okay, then 3011. Okay, ma? Next, 6799, 6801. So in between, which number is missing? Children, just add 1 to this number. So you can get 6800, or subtract 1 from this number. Okay, if you want to find the between number, just add 1 to this number or subtract 1 from this number. So you can get the between numbers. Okay, ma'am? In today's class, we learned the predecessor and successor of the 4-digit numbers. Okay, so predecessor means before number and successor means after number. Okay, so how can you get the successor of the given number? You can just add 1 to the given number, so you can get the successor of the given number. And how can you get the predecessor of the given number? Yeah, you can subtract 1 from the given number and you can get the predecessor of this given number. Okay, ma? And also we learned the between numbers. Okay, so between numbers, how can you find the between numbers? Yeah, you can simply add 1 to the first number, or you can simply subtract 1 from the second number, so you can get the between numbers. Children, the number 999 lies between the number 998 and thousands. Okay, so the 998 is the predecessor of 999 and 1000 is the successor of 999. And also we did some example related to predecessor, successor and between numbers. Okay, children? So children, this is the end of today's class and see you in the next class. Okay, bye and happy learning.